Hi everyone and welcome to Mooxye, the biggest college PSA recruiting platform in Europe. My name is Aitor and through this short video you'll learn how to log into the platform, learn about the two types of accounts available, and learn how to use the filters and understand all the information provided about the PSAs. Let's start with the login. First, access the Mooxye webpage at www.mooxye.com/en/coaches. Once there, you can enter your personal information, accept the terms and conditions, and click on Create Profile button. If you have already an account, you can always just write down your username and password and click on Enter.